Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing really well. Today I want to share with you some projects that I've been working on. The projects are for my challenge, or for a challenge with my sweet sis Nadezhda. I will post a link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. We decided to work with the Maggie Holmes Garden Party collection. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I really enjoyed creating with it. We decided for our August challenge to create a loaded tag pocket with some handmade embellishments, and I will show you the embellishments in a minute as well. For this tag pocket I used this die set. I purchased it on AliExpress quite a while ago, and I really enjoy creating some projects with this one. And this is part 2. It's quite a large set, so I had to divide it in 2 parts. So let me take it a little bit closer. I absolutely love this paper. This is the favorite, or my favorite sheet from the collection. And let me give you an overview first. I created this bow out of some velvet paper, and I purchased this at my local craft store, as well as this bling piece. And I also created a small dangle, and I adhered it to this paper clip. And this is some trim from my stash. I made some crochet flowers myself to coordinate with the paper collection, and I have some golden leaves right here. I used some ephemera from the paper collection as well, and I also decorated the backside with the paper from the collection, and this is a die cut. I absolutely loved working with this collection. And let me show you the embellishments that I created to go in this loaded tag pocket. Let me see. We also had 2 extra challenges. The first one is to use fabric, and I'm not really good with fabrics, I have to admit that, but I really loved the challenge. And the second challenge was to use a golden leaf trim, so that's what I did as well. The first thing that I created, or the first embellishment that I created, is this one right here. I used a golden paper clip, and I used some fabric as my base to create this banner. And you can clip this to a journal page or any other project as well. I used a die cut from the paper collection and some golden hearts from my stash, another crochet flower that I made, and here is the gold leaf trim that I used. So this is the first one that I created, and I made a second one as well. I absolutely love this fox from the paper collection. And another crochet flower that I made, some more gold leaf trim and some golden heart. This is some lace from my stash, and this one can go on the right side of the page, and this one can go on the left side if Nadezhda wants to. So I've made some more embellishments. These are some small envelopes that I created. Let me measure them because I forgot to. They are 2 1/4 inch by approximately 2.5 inches. And this is the first one that I created with a die cut from the paper collection, another golden heart, and inside there are just some ephemera pieces from the collection and a golden tag that I created. And I just used a template for this small envelope. I didn't use a die or anything like that, but I found a template on the internet and I used it to create these small envelopes. It's this one right here, and if you search on Pinterest for templates of envelopes, you can find these. Print them out, cut them out, and use them to create these cute little envelopes. And I created 4 of them. This is the second one. Love these butterflies from the collection. And you can use these in a journal or as an embellishment on your project. I absolutely love creating these. Here's the third one that I created. Also a die cut from the collection and a punched golden heart. Let me adjust this tag a little bit. I love the ephemera that comes with this paper collection. And the last one that I created is this one right here. I think this is my favorite. I absolutely love this teapot with a teacup. And the last embellishment set that I created are some Polaroid frames. And the die that I used to create these is this one right here. I purchased this at a local scrapbook store, or at a local store. It's not really a scrapbook store, it's more like a dollar store. And this is the small one that I created. I tried to keep them quite flat in case she wants to use these in a journal. Some die cuts from the collection and another golden heart. And I layered these 3 times to create some sturdiness on this frame. And this is the second small one that I created. And I used some more of the golden leaf trim. This is a smaller version. And the last one is a bigger one. It's this one right here. With a cupcake. And I absolutely love this sentiment. And some more gold leaf trim right here. And a bow from the collection. And a punched golden heart. So those are my embellishments. Now I'm going to package all these things up and put them here in this pocket so I can show you how it looks like when I'm going to send it off to Nadezhda. I'll be back in a moment. So I'm back. I've packaged them all up, all the embellishments. And this is how it looks like when the pocket is full and loaded. And it even fits some more if I want to, so maybe I'm going to include some more crochet flowers as well. And let me show you how I package them up. Those are the envelopes. And these are the altered paper clips with some crochet flowers and hearts. And here are the Polaroid frames. So yeah, I really hope you like my project, and I really hope that Nadezhda will like them as well. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you are all having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.